Hello, welcome to my channel APG.Studio. My name is Alicia, fitness yoga expert, and as every Wednesday we are doing our stretching exercise at home for better posture, to correctly work with your muscles for the posture correction. Okay, so as you see, I'm not longer at my studio. We finished, that's it. We have to close it. We can't run the studio any longer, so I'm gonna be only online at the moment. But all the sessions on my YouTube channel as regular as was before. Okay, so get yourself ready. And you're going to do some exercise for posture correction right now. Place your feet, wind down your shoulders width apart. And now inhale, arms up. Slowly exhale, try to pull your shoulders back and down. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And relax. Now lift your right arm. Start to bend to your left side. Relax your left side. You can then shake your hand and your arm. Inhale. Slowly exhale. And one more. Okay, now left to your right, so you can shake your right side. Inhale and exhale. And one more. And relax. Okay, now feet. Parent shoulder. Legs nice and straight. First, pull your shoulders back. So pulling elbows and you're squeezing your shoulder blades. And you're trying to lean forward. Movement is from your hips. So it's not this way. It's shoulders back and down as you're leaning forward. Straight legs. Inhale. And exhale. So it's not about touching your toes. It's about lengthening your spine to stretch your hamstrings, glutes, lower back, as well as your chest and shoulders. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Okay, now slightly turn your feet out just a little bit. And you're going to squat position. So hands together, holding your position as upright as you can. So imagine you've got chair behind you and you're trying to sit on it. Okay, so it's from your hips, it's not from your head again or your chest. Is because you're flexing your hips, because you're bending your knees, because you're lowering your body, your hips down. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Push your knees out. Okay. Got toes pointing out to your front left and right corner. So keep the same direction for your knees. Inhale. Slowly exhale. It's very important you're not making this movement. Your hips need to be lower than your shoulders. So better to hold it higher instead bending forward. Okay, you want to stretch your glutes, you want to stretch your quadriceps, you want to stretch your lower back. Inhale and exhale. And one more. Okay, now feet parallel again, bend your knees, place your hands on the floor, step back to down dog position, march on the spot. Stretching one leg at a time, trying to keep your head between your arms. We're not doing plank position, we're doing down dog. So you've got your head in line with your arms as much as you can, but with your knees bent. And now, move forward. Could be just a few inches or all the way to plank. Depends how much strength you have. And when you exhale again, stretch your upper body, lower back, glutes and hamstrings. Heels off the floor as you start, with your knees bent. Inhale and exhale. Then maybe one more. On your four. Right foot forward, your right foot. So it's in line with your left hand. And now when you inhale, trying to lift your arm, but also make this rotation your upper body. So try to keep your arms in line together and shoulders. I show you here, okay? So it's not only arm like this, but feel how much you can rotate your torso. Okay, inhale. And exhale at the same time. Check how is your right leg. So when you twist, you're pushing your knee out, or better if you're trying to pull in your knee. So don't let your knee go out. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Maybe one more. Okay. Now I've got your left foot in front of your right hand, and you're twisting to your left side. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Feel the stretch not on your upper body, left chest and shoulder, but it could be your left hip, lower back. Inhale and exhale. Maybe two more. On your four again. And you're going to move to child pose. Staying higher or lower. Remember, everybody has different limitations. Yoga is for everyone, but everyone's yoga is different. So it's all about feeling stretch your arms, chest, shoulders, lower back, glutes and your hips. Controlling head position, avoid dropping head down, look forward instead. Inhale, slowly exhale. And two more, but remember, you can stop anytime. Okay, I'm going to add the twist right now. So from child pose, left arm between your right arm and your right leg. So maybe your head and shoulders over the floor, or maybe you can rest, doesn't matter, okay? Make sure works for you. Could be if your hips higher, keeping right arm straight. if you can. If it's too much stretching, rest your elbow. Okay. If you find, try hips lower. So try to activate abdominal muscles as well. Back to center. And now your right to your left side. Pretty nice stretch, your upper back, glutes. Good breaths in and slowly out. Back to center. You can sit with your toes stuck under or with your feet flat. Checking position. So you're constantly trying to pull your shoulders back and down. Right? So hold this position, muscles in your upper back active. And now bring your arms. Bend your elbows. When you inhale, pull your elbows. Try to squeeze your shoulder blades even more. When you exhale, bring your arms with your shoulders width apart. Inhale. And exhale. And one more. And now when you inhale, lift your arms above your head. As you exhale, try again, pull your shoulders, elbows back. Inhale. And exhale. And two more. Inhale. And exhale. And relax. Okay, now, kneeling position. With your left leg to your side. Just make sure not pulling your knee forward. If you notice this movement, bring your foot the same position so it's in line with your knee. Okay, now this way. And now you're going to rest your hand or could be elbow. Depends how the stretch. Your inner thigh on your left side. If you notice, yeah, I can rest my elbow, but you're leaning forward. That's a compensation. Stretch is too much, so you need to stay more upright. And now lifting right arm as high as you can, but holding your body the same position. Inhale. Slowly exhale. So you're lifting up, but you're trying to pull back the same time. I'll show you from the other angle. So it's not here. I'm trying to lift high, and I'm pulling back the same time, but not from your torso, just your arm. Inhale. And exhale. Maybe two more. Okay, now right leg. Again, hand. Check if you still got right position for your knee or making flexion from your hips, which is the compensation. I'm trying to avoid that. Inhale and exhale. So still pulling shoulders back. Still working with the muscles between your shoulder blades, between your scapulas. Inhale and exhale. and 2 more. And relax. Okay, again on your 4. With your toes stuck under this time, so you're holding your hips higher and you're trying to move upper body. Think about your shoulders, not about your head. Head is still really high. Look forward. Inhale, lift to release the stretch. As you exhale, check how far you can go. And maybe 2 more. If you're comfortable with the stretch, you can hold it a little bit longer. Maybe when you rock your body side to side. And relax. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoy all the stretches, mostly for your upper body, a little bit for your hips and your inner thighs as well. If you like it, please give me thumbs up. If you know anyone who should try some posture correction exercise, please share this link with your friends. And if you'll be watching first time, please subscribe and click notification bell to be informed about every new video coming on my channel. So I see you next week, the same time. Stay safe, healthy, tune with us.